Hey guys, welcome back to Manufacturing Monday. I'm Brittany and we are back down in leather manufacturing. But today I have a really special guest with me today. This is Chris Miller, who's the head of the Equine and Pet Division. Welcome, Chris.
Hey everybody.
So Chris wants to show us one of his favorite products, one of our fantastic working tack reins. Can you tell me a little about it, Chris?
Yeah, these working tack reins are one of the coolest products that we make here, and actually one of my favorite. You know, when it comes to picking reins, there's a few things that I look for in a rein. You know, our reins are our direct line to the horse, from our hands to the bit to his mouth. And so I want to have a rein that's going to effectively communicate what I'm saying back and forth with him. Also, I want to have a rein that's going to feel really good in my hands, and it's going to last a long time. We've spent a lot of time trying to develop a leather specifically for these reins. Like any one of our reins, these are made from a heavy U.S. steer. And when you talk about reins and wanting to have a rein that's going to help communicate to the horse, it's going to feel good in your hands, it's going to last a long time. It all starts with the quality leather. And like I said, we spent a lot of time developing a hide that was going to be extra heavy, but also very soft and supple. And so I wanted to show you just a few things about these reins that I really like. First off is the tail, or the heel. It's really heavy, so when you're holding it, it's just going to hang really nice in your hands. Going to feel really good. Also throughout the rein, you'll notice there's a lot of weight and a lot of thickness here. What that's going to do is coming back to that communication with my horse. When I have a lot of rein, you know, if I ask the horse to give his head to me, and I ask for it, when he gives it to me, these reins will easily they'll feel that release really quickly. Also, what we do is on the water loops, you can see here, we've shortened these water loops, and we've also used a real heavy alum lace, and that lace is really strong, and it's really thick, so you get no play there in your rein. So it just takes that link out. Again, coming back to that communication with the horse, it's just going to help us have a really good communication with him. So just want to go through just the process that we do with these reins. We got someone here that's going to show us how we butter them. This is the first step that we do with them. And just like with our skin, hides have a lot of pores in them, and this buttering is going to penetrate into those pores. It's going to make that hide really soft, but also help with just weather resistance, all that kind of stuff. So when you get the rein, it's ready to go. After we do this, we slick the rein, so you got a real nice clean edge. It feels really good. And then after that, we take them and we dip them in oil, and that oil is set at a specific temperature. We dip them for a specific amount of time, and it's going to allow the reins to come out feeling really soft and really good in your hand. Again, another thing with all of our reins, we always try to make sure when we go to cut them, every hide is unique, and every part of the hide is different. And so we cut a pair of reins. Those two reins that are cut side by side, we rubber band them together. They go through the whole process together, all the way to getting finished. When they go out to the warehouse, they're together. It's just going to allow, when you get those reins home, they're going to feel really good in your hands. They're going to both feel the same. And yeah, these are just some awesome reins to ride in.
Well, thank you so much, Chris. That was really awesome. So thanks again for watching Manufacturing Monday. We hope to see you next week to see how some of our other amazing products are made right here in Mount Hope, Ohio. See you then.